The most valuable substances on earth tend to be expensive because of their rarity or because of the difficulty in producing them. Over time, the worth of expensive substances regularly changes as the availability of rare materials increases or the desire for them decreases. So, while many believe gold to be costly, this list of most expensive materials on the planet will sure give rest to this belief. And by the way, gold did not even make it to this list. LSD $2,500 per gram. Lysergic acid diethylamide, otherwise known as acid or LSD, is a man-made and very illegal hallucinogen. It's said to amplify the senses and can cause people to see bright colors or even things that simply aren't. $1,600 per can also be found naturally. Its uses include nuclear reactors and nuclear weapons, but it's also used to power satellites and spacecraft that need a long-lasting energy supply. Plutonium $1,600 per gram. If you have ever fancied buying some plutonium, then you had better get saving up because it's $1,600 per gram. Plutonium is a radioactive metal which comes from nuclear decay of uranium, but sometimes it can also be found naturally. Its uses include nuclear reactors and nuclear weapons, but it's also used to power satellites and spacecraft that need a long-lasting energy supply. Solaris $13,880 per gram. At around $13,880 per gram, Solaris is the most expensive drug in the world. It is used to treat an extremely rare but life-threatening disease called atypical hemolytic syndrome or AHES. This horrible disease attacks the red blood cells and it is very difficult to treat without Solaris. Taphite $20,000 per gram. You may not have heard of taphite, but it's an incredible rare gemstone that has only recently caught the attention of collectors. It fetches a piece of around $20,000 per gram, mainly found in Tanzania and Sri Lanka. Taphite comes in many different colors ranging from red to purple. Scorpion venom $27,500 per fluid ounce. Any guess what the world's most expensive liquid is? That's right, ladies and gentlemen, it's Deathstalker Scorpion Venom. If you wanted to buy a gallon of this stuff, and I'm really not sure why you would, it would set you back about $39 million, or you would have to milk a scorpion 2.64 million times to get that gallon. Tritium $30,000 per gram. Tritium is a radioactive substance that sells for an incredible $30,000 per gram. It was discovered back in 1934 and can be used for self-powered lighting, such as the ones you might find in watches, map lights, and navigational compasses. It's also useful for nuclear weapons because it enhances the efficiency and yield of fission bombs. Pinnite $60,000 per gram. You have already mentioned a super rare gemstone, but this next entry is even rarer. In fact, it's rarest gemstone in the world. This is pinnite and it can cost up to $60,000 per carat, which is just 0.2 grams. Since it was first discovered, there are only thought to have been 2 pinnite gems found. So the chances of you ever having the opportunity to buy one on the market are incredibly slim. Diamond $100,000 per gram. As everyone who likes to buy jewelry will tell you, the price of diamond varies widely depending on their quality. 2 to 3 carats of average quality diamonds, which is 0.4 to 0.6 grams, tend to cost between $18,000 and $21,000. But if you refuse to settle for anything but the very best, prepare to spend upwards of $100,000 for the same size gem. The most expensive diamond ever found is the Kohinoor diamond. At 105.6 carats, it is one of the largest cut diamonds in the world. Californium 252 $27 million per gram. Our next entry is less glamorous than diamonds but much more expensive. Californium 252 is the most expensive chemical in the world, selling for $27 million per gram. Californium 252 is used in the treatment of certain types of brain and cervical cancers and in cement and coal industries. It's also used inside nuclear reactors as a neutron startup source. Antimatter, $62.5 trillion per gram. Any guess as to what the most expensive material on Earth is? At an unbelievable $62.5 trillion per gram, it's antimatter. Antimatter is the stuff that science fiction is made of, but it's actually very real. Antimatter particles are pretty much identical to their counterparts, which is simply called matter, but they carry the opposite charge and spin. And if the two happen to meet, they essentially annihilate one another. In fact, it would take only a gram of antimatter to produce an explosion the size of a nuclear bomb. But thankfully, scientists have only been able to produce around 20 nanograms so far. That would only create enough energy to boil water for a cup of tea, which is much less scary. There are dozens of natural and man-made materials found around the globe that will cost more than you could ever imagine. Which is what brings us to today's topic, the 10 most expensive materials found on Earth. If you find this video interesting, do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Until then, bye.